the video for too much longer. Because today we're gonna be serious in this video today.
Wow.
So
I am serious.
Up and out, up and out.
Huh?
Now. Okay. So today we are going to be cricketing with me.
What?
Your girl, baby doll.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's going down. So, let me thank you for clicking on this video. As you can see, my little hoodie, you know what I'm saying?
There's hoodie season.
It is hoodie season indeed. So today, I'm going to be showing y'all how to cricket. Beginner style, however you want to say that. I'm a beginner. Don't judge me. I'm on here. This is my new toy. I do everything from my phone. So I know there's people out there that I've seen YouTube videos on laptops. They're done on laptops, computers, but I do everything from my phone. So we're gonna work on that today. And if you haven't already, and at the end of this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all what I'm gonna be giving away, because if y'all haven't already known, we are at 75 subscribers. 75. So trying to hit 100, and when we hit 100, when we get to 100, I'm gonna give this little thing that we're making today. I'm gonna give that away, and I'm going to be giving a cash prize. I'm just so excited to hit 100 subscribers, so I can't wait. So y'all, if y'all haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. So let's get this started. Let me see. So you want to make sure your cricket's on, of course.
You're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Game. This one's serious. Yeah, I can be very serious.
Why are you being so loud?
I'm sorry.
Bruh.
I'm just so mad. I freaking died.
Oh my God.
Really, nigga?
Okay, y'all can still see me over here, y'all.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Let me see. So let's see. We're gonna go to your Cricut app. And you're gonna go to your canvas. You're gonna go down below and select whatever picture or whatever you're trying to do. So you want to go to select. Go down to upload your picture. Once you uploaded it, it's gonna be on the little graph. So you can zoom in, zoom out, however it works for you. It's however it works for you. Do what you do. So I'm going to make this size the biggest of the big. Let me see. That's like a lot. So this thing is amazing. I love how I can make so many things with it. But it could be time consuming, and it could be frustrating sometimes, especially when you have those little designs and it's all in the detail. I'll show you what I mean later here in a second.
This nigga.
Okay, so once you got the size of your picture, you want to go to the top, and it says on the mat, mirror off. You want to click on that, and you want to put mirror on, because every time you iron something on a shirt or whatever, you want to flip it.
Wait a minute.
Because, you know.
I don't know, that's what they said to do, so you gotta do it.
Wow.
So we're gonna do it that way. Let's hit continue. Okay, you're gonna set material. So I'm gonna do iron on because that's what, let's see. It's gonna be an everyday iron on. So you wanna click everyday iron on. And the color I'm gonna be using is lime green.
Ooh, that's a good one.
See it? It's lime green. So this is the matte. You want to put your layout color, whatever you want. So I'm using iron on. And what you want to do is put the bright, like the colorful part, the bright color, on the matte, the sticky part, because we're going to reverse it. And that's how we're ironing. So it's going to be like this. So you can iron it on. And it's, you know, the color side on that, you know.
You get it. You get it. Okay.
Anyways, okay. So I'm putting it on. Choose your color. Make sure it says number 2, load tools and mats. So you want to load it up, load it up. Let me see. Dang, that's pretty big. That's real big. Hook it up, hook it up. Let me see.
Bruh.
Am I too big? No, I'm too big. Nah, it should be good. I don't know, let's hope it's good. So push the button to go in.
Oh, we have some coasters.
She thinks I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all.
She doesn't know she's
Anyways.
doing it. Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna get going with this video because I can't wait to show you guys.
What I'm making for you.
So once you press the little Cricut button, it's gonna do its work, it's gonna do its magic. This phone is amazing. My So I'm doing this video because I felt like, you know, at a time like this, why not? I'm gonna hook y'all up with something nice, something real nice. And I'm so excited. I'm so happy that we hit 75. So once I hit the 75, I was just like, you know what? Let me get on here and show my appreciation. And once I hit 100 subscribers, this thing that we're making today, I will be giving it to one of my first 100 subscribers. I'm gonna give them this gift that we're making today, and they're gonna be getting $50 cash. 50. So I'm helping you out today. You help me out, y'all.
I'll go let everybody know about BossNationFamilia.
Because this is what it is. I can't wait. Can't wait to show y'all all kinds of things. Look, ooh, it's nice, pretty, and it's so warm. I stay cold, y'all. I swear, ask somebody. They know me. I stay cold. Stay cold.
And I'm moving extra slow today.
Because my girl was working out today. I was working out, you know what I'm saying, going out. In the gym. Showing out in the gym. So once the Cricut is done, you want to push the little arrow button because it's flashing and that's just a flashy button.
I'd rather push this button.
No.
So it's done. So what we do from now, this is like the boring part. Okay. So this is our color. It's so bright. I like it. I like bright. Okay, so I'm gonna pick it. Make sure you have your little picker thingy. I think mine came with it. I think so. I don't know. Again. But get your little weeder, little picker thingy, and start picking. Where I start, I like to begin like, you can barely see it too. You can't see it. But I want to start picking from the outside. So, let me see. Like, you see how I grabbed a hold of the little, I don't know if y'all can see that. But I grabbed the outside of it. So I want to pull that off real quick. And that's how I just start pulling from there. And I don't think I'm gonna need that. I don't think. I'm glad y'all know that it's hoodie season. I just love hoodie season because I love to wear hoodies. I'm just always cold. Always. Even at the summertime, I'm cold.
Really, nigga?
Mind your business, kid. Mind your business.
Oh my god.
I got nails for what? See, this is why you need this. People like me don't follow rules.
Nope.
I don't know follow rules. Don't tell nobody that. I'll make my own rules.
Wow.
So I'm just pulling, not too rough, not too hard. This is a big old piece. I use the whole sheet for this. Use the whole sheet for you. For you. Lucky one out there. Because I don't even got one of these, and I need one of these because this is a nice color. This is, say. Okay, so as you can see what I made. But I have to go in and still weed some more because it's not finished yet. So let me start picking and see if I can see because I'm blind, y'all. I'm blind. So you pick, I just pick from the corner. Whenever I tell people that I do everything from my phone, they look at me like,
Nope.
How? But I do. Everything. Everything from my phone.
I'm thinking about doing a whole merchandise. I don't know. That'd be cool. Who's that? Whoa.
What?
So, now that I'm done weeding, I have to get up, stretch. Oh, remember, stretch. Okay. Oh, I just like this hoodie. Okay, let me stop playing. Okay, now it is time to do the ironing and come this way. So y'all, I'm gonna get Vic to help me iron, and I can't wait to show y'all what this outcome's gonna look like. Let's see. Beautiful CRICUT iron thing that he got me, and the thing is huge. It's the big one. And
This is amazing.
so he has it set for 310. And how many seconds, babe?
I believe it was
25, 20?
Yeah, I believe it was 20 seconds.
Okay. When he puts it on 20 seconds, you just press this green button and then it just goes. All you literally have to do is just push the button, hold it down, and it will count it down for you.
Put it on how many ever degrees you want. And it does its own magic.
So it is peeling time. Peeling time is when you're done with the iron, and it literally just comes right off.
Look at that beautiful color, y'all.
Oh, that's slime.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's nice.
I like this. This is cute. I want this.
Y'all gonna love it. And y'all gonna be warm. Cause that's a thick
Bruh.
hoodie. That good. It's done. Ooh.
Ooh, that's fresh.
That's fresh, ain't it?
Yeah, that's nice.
Can't wait.
This is what it will look like after mine is the same. I got the same for mine. But it will look nice, neon green, and clean. Brian.
I know, right? It's so nice. Okay, lucky winners, our product is finally done. Once we hit our 100 subscribers, y'all, I can't wait to give this away to our lucky winner. It's hoodie season, y'all, so I'm gonna hook y'all up with a free hoodie.
Boss Nation represent, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? We just gonna be out here repping.
Boy, if you don't
Once we reach 100 subscribers, y'all, it's gonna be this hoodie giveaway and a cash prize, and I can't freaking wait to
Give it out. I can't wait to see this on the live. I can't wait. This looks really nice. Looks really nice.
beginner style with my Cricut. You know, I'm still working on it. I'm still working as I go. I'm learning as I go. So if you see something that I did, and maybe it took longer for me, and you have a shortcut,
Help your girl out. I mean,
help me, help me.
so you can do that. Drop some comments down below. Let me know who y'all think is gonna be the winner. Is it gonna be you or you? Thank you so much.
That is it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video, and whoever the lucky winner is will be the first to get some
It
merchandise.
might be you. Who do you think it's gonna be?
I don't know.
We don't know.
Y'all are gonna be the first people to have merchandise.
Wow, congratulations!
Can't wait. Who
So
is it
hope you
gonna
like
be?
this video. Smash the subscribe button so you can maybe could be a lucky winner. Like and
Cash.
cash too. And how much cash?
Really, nigga?
Cause I wanna enter that prize.
Free.
That's
But
it. If
subscribe, like, try and post notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. We love you.